Still wasting hours on boring tasks? These 5 AI tools can save you over 10 hours every week, automating emails, writing, research, content creation, and even websites. Whether you're a creator, student, or business owner, these tools will change how you work. First up is Notion AI. It's more than a note-taking app, it's your second brain. Notion AI helps you summarize meeting notes, generate blog content, rewrite text, and brainstorm ideas, all inside one workspace. Instead of spending hours writing or organizing, let Notion handle the heavy lifting. Tool number 2 is Pictory. Pictory uses AI to turn text or scripts into videos in just minutes. It automatically selects visuals, adds subtitles, and syncs your voiceover. Perfect for content creators who want to save hours on editing and production.
You've heard of ChatGPT, but are you using it to its full potential? ChatGPT can write emails, summarize articles, draft blog posts, and even generate YouTube video ideas. It's like having an assistant who never sleeps. Next, we have Durable. This AI tool builds an entire website for you in just 30 seconds. Just answer a few simple prompts, and Durable generates a professional-looking site, complete with design, content, and contact forms. Ideal for freelancers, startups, or quick landing pages. Finally, Taskade. It's an AI-powered to-do list and project planner. It helps you organize, automate, and prioritize tasks in real time. Whether you're managing a solo project or collaborating with a remote team, Taskade keeps everything flowing without micromanaging. Which of these AI tools are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Think Tech Daily AI for more tools that make your digital life faster, smarter, and easier.